Welcome to Adventure Pulse, where we embark on journeys to uncover the world's most captivating landmarks. Today, we're exploring a masterpiece of modern architecture and a cultural icon, the Sydney Opera House in Australia. Nestled on Bennelong Point in Sydney Harbour, the Sydney Opera House is a testament to human creativity and innovation. This architectural marvel is not just a performance venue, it's a symbol of Australia's artistic and cultural identity. The vision for the Sydney Opera House was born in the 1950s when the New South Wales government recognised the need for a world-class performing arts centre. In 1956, an international design competition was held, attracting 233 entries from architects worldwide. The winning design was submitted by Danish architect Jorn Utzon. His radical and innovative concept featured a series of soaring, sail-like shells that would become the defining characteristic of the Opera House. Construction of the Sydney Opera House began in 1959 and spanned over 14 years. The project faced numerous challenges, including budget overruns, design modifications, and engineering hurdles. Despite these obstacles, Utzon's vision remained intact, thanks to his unwavering dedication and the collaboration of talented engineers and builders. The unique roof design, with its complex geometry, required innovative construction techniques and the development of new materials. The Sydney Opera House was officially opened on October 20, 1973, by Queen Elizabeth II. The event marked the culmination of years of hard work, perseverance, and creative ingenuity. Today, it stands as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most recognizable structures on the planet. The Sydney Opera House is renowned for its distinctive architectural design, characterized by its series of white, sail-like shells that seem to float above the harbour. These shells are made of precast concrete panels covered with more than 1 million glossy white and matte cream tiles, creating a mesmerizing visual effect. The interplay of light and shadow on the shells, set against the backdrop of the harbour, creates a stunning and dynamic visual spectacle. The interior of the Opera House is equally impressive. It houses multiple performance venues, including the Concert Hall, Joan Sutherland Theatre, Drama Theatre, Playhouse, and Studio. Each space is meticulously designed to provide optimal acoustics and an immersive experience for the audience. The Concert Hall, with its grand organ and seating capacity of over 2,500, is a testament to the meticulous attention to detail that went into every aspect of the building. The Sydney Opera House is not just a building, it's a hub of cultural activity. It hosts over 1,500 performances annually, spanning a wide range of genres, including opera, ballet, theatre, music, and contemporary art. The Opera House is home to some of Australia's most prestigious performing arts companies, including Opera Australia, the Sydney Theatre Company, and the Sydney Symphony Orchestra. It also serves as a venue for international artists and productions, attracting audiences from around the globe. Beyond its role as a performance venue, the Sydney Opera House is a centre for artistic and cultural education. It offers a range of programs and initiatives designed to inspire creativity and foster a deeper appreciation for the arts. The Opera House's educational programs cater to all ages, from school children to aspiring artists, providing opportunities for learning and engagement through workshops, master classes, and interactive experiences. The Sydney Opera House has had a profound impact on the arts and culture scene in Australia and beyond. It has helped elevate Australia's status on the global stage, showcasing the nation's artistic talent and cultural diversity. The Opera House has also played a pivotal role in fostering international collaborations and cultural exchanges, contributing to a richer and more interconnected global arts community. Visitors to the Sydney Opera House can explore its architectural wonders and learn about its rich history through guided tours. These tours provide an in-depth look at the building's design, construction, and cultural significance. Visitors can also enjoy breathtaking views of Sydney Harbour from various vantage points within the Opera House, making it a must-visit destination for tourists and locals alike. The Opera House is situated in one of the most picturesque locations in Sydney. Bennelong Point offers stunning panoramic views of the harbour, the Sydney Harbour Bridge, and the city's skyline. The surrounding area, including the Royal Botanic Garden and Circular Quay, provides ample opportunities for leisurely strolls, picnics, and photo opportunities. The Sydney Opera House is a living testament to the power of visionary design and the transformative impact of the arts. It continues to inspire awe and admiration, drawing millions of visitors each year who come to experience its beauty and cultural richness. As we conclude our journey through the Sydney Opera House, we hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for this architectural gem and its enduring legacy. Thank you for joining us on Adventure Pulse. Stay tuned for more exciting explorations of the world's most fascinating landmarks. Until next time, keep exploring and keep the adventure alive.